we have not been contacted. No one from Massey has called my mother or any of us children, or his mother. He still has a mother that is home grieving. We don't know where my dad's body's at. We want some answers, and we want them today.
Had the chance to speak with officials from the mining company. What would you say to them this morning?
What happened to the phone call? We're still waiting. My mom's still home waiting by the phone.
That's the most important thing right now.
Yes. And where's the body? We have no idea where he's at. We want his belongings. No one will return our calls. We have tried.
It's my dad, man. I don't know if he's alright. I don't know what's going on.
We're hoping to bulldoze our way up there today, and probably a good guesstimate would be about 2 days to get the borehole into the mine.
So that means that the families will have to wait for 2 days now? We had heard maybe 12 hours, so this pushes the window out a little bit.
Yeah, 12 hours, just it would not be, we can't put a borehole into the mine at that depth in 12 hours.